sat and watched it in the back, and I haven't seen it since the fall, and it's just, y'all are so good. So good. Can you talk about how, I know you were collaborating with Rafi, the writer. Can you tell us?
Here?
She is here. Can you tell a little bit about how you decided to make this project or how it came about?
We had read a pitch for a TV show that Rafi had, like a pitch document. We were like, does she have any writing samples? And then she sent the script, and I was like, oh my god, this is like so funny and weird and like reminds me of all the movies that I love. Like it feels very nostalgic, but also like modern and fun and I don't know, it's dark and like uncomfortable and like just everything that I love to watch. And so yeah, I just felt, I think Rafi's such an amazing writer, and we all, I don't know, I'm so grateful. It's not like I'm like, like, it was, she's the best.
It was faded.
It was faded.
Okay, so the film had its world premiere at TIFF, and we were just chatting about how you haven't seen it maybe since those screenings. Now it's US debuts here at South by Southwest. What has it been like for over, you did it at TIFF, you're doing it now. What's it feel like to finally get to share it with another audience?
Can I just say, when the kiss happened and someone screamed at the top of my lungs, I actually was crying laughing.
Thank you.
It's awesome.
It's amazing. I mean, it's amazing to hear an audience react to the movie. This is Cooper and I. What came in for the last like 15 minutes, and like right when he was doing the poem, and it was like, oh wow, people love this movie. Like it was amazing. Like it played really well at TIFF, and we were like, oh my gosh, the movie's playing so well, but this is a whole other thing. I hope it keeps. I hope it keeps accumulating that way because the movie's so fun.
Can we talk about how y'all got involved in the project and decided to be a part of this?
It's a big decision.
I'm kind of acting like y'all are best friends.
We're not. We haven't talked
You've never seen each other before.
in years. Cooper and I met doing a movie called Saturday Night. Thank you so much. And we became really close really fast in a way that it was like, oh, I would be so sad if this friendship ended here. Like we both live in New York, and I was really hoping, I don't want to speak for you, I just am in love with you, and I was really hoping that we would have a reason to continue this friendship. And then we got a chemistry read for this while we found out that we were asked to chemistry read while you were on your way to hanging out with me.
Yeah.
And so we did the chemistry together in Atlanta while we were filming Saturday Night. We were like, we have to get this job. Like we have to do this together. And once it was the two of us, there was no question. We had to do.
Well, we got so lucky because, I mean, both of them were at the top of the list, and we were like, oh man, we want to do a chemistry read because I think like the whole movie sort of really relies on their chemistry being good. And so yeah, when we found that they were at the same place, they did it in the same room, we were like, this is amazing because a Zoom chemistry read doesn't work.
Not free.
It's tough. So yeah, no, it was like the second they started speaking, my camera was off, and I was like, yes, we get that. Olivia and I, my producing partner, we knew it was them. It was terrific.
I love that. I love that y'all got to be together again.
Now we don't talk.
If anyone needs a duo.
We want to do more things. So if anybody wrote, like if anyone wants to give us a screenplay or a play or something that we wrote, we're just looking for the next thing.
Okay, Leslie, obviously you have your familial connection, but was it always going to be Mom in this role, or what was it like to make that decision?
Oh my gosh, no. Yeah. I mean, obviously the script is like exaggerated, but I loved, like, it really reminded me of our relationship and like friendship, and I just thought that was really beautifully written by Rafi, and that's like the part that I love most about it. And then, yeah, I read it. I imagined my mom in that role just because she's my mom, and that's what I picture when I read a mom role. But then, yeah, there's no one better to do it. I think, like, oh God, this is so embarrassing. But no, I think she's so amazing at doing just like the most grounded comedy. And I think this role, like, I don't know if anyone really could have pulled that off, sort of just believing that, like, she ever, like, realized all of that was happening. And that's a good running. I don't know. It was amazing. It was perfect.
Yes, so you love your mom and she's an amazing actor. We agree! Can you talk about, for you, what it was like kind of deciding to do this?
Well, my dream is to spend as much time as possible with Maude. And so I was really happy about that she was forced to spend every day with me. And, you know, just being, honestly, just to, like, have the chance to be with her and spend as much time as possible with her was so great. And then I'm being freaky right now.
It's true, though. It's true.
I love her so much, and I loved watching her, you know, direct this movie. And she created this incredible environment for all of us to, safe and nurturing environment for all of us to play and have fun and you know, create these cool characters in this cool movie. And, you know, I'm so proud of you, and thank you.
Speaking of that, I feel like it is really a complicated film. Also, one of the things I love about this is that I've never seen this film before. We watch a lot of movies, and a lot of them, you know, you can recognize them. This one, I was like, holy shit, where are we gonna go with this? And you really, I know, right? Having a unique film. You did a great job. But kind of, you're like, she made a safe space for you. What was it like for y'all to get to know each other and develop this, like, you know, trio or threesome, whichever one you want to go with?
Trio. So. I mean, it was kind of easy, you know. You know, sometimes you get that on a movie, which is, you know, always kind of a joy. I came into it knowing Andrew, and so that was nice. Me and Andrew kind of, even though that we were friends beforehand, we kind of, you know, the relationship kept blooming, and it was really nice. And you know, now we actually are incredibly close friends, truly, and that's really nice. And then Leslie was just really easy to, like, kind of like, you know, you want Leslie to like you inherently as like a person. So going into the movie, that's all we did. Me and Andrew would just like be dancing monkeys the whole day, trying to make her laugh. Sometimes she would, sometimes she wouldn't, but you know, that was the goal, I guess.
The risk you have to
Yeah, that was the risk you gotta take, and we took it.
We rehearsal too, just kind of to sit around and talk about what this movie could be, and then we would also be improvising and inventing so much in real time. I think Maude would run on set and be like, okay, he was in this thing and this one, and then we'd all be like, yeah, okay, go. It was amazing.
Very like, energetic set, which is very exciting to me. Yeah.
My favorite thing is when you say, who even are you guys? I just love it, because they just seem like they're so together. Great job, guys. Can you tell me what it was like? Obviously, you've been around the movie making process, but for you, kind of stepping into the director role, you have your acting background, all of that. What was it like to be the boss?
Yeah.
Of your mom?
Yeah, it was so scary, but also so great. And I've always wanted to be a director, and directed in theater in high school and short films, and so yeah, it's always been my dream. So I was just so excited, and being an actor, I think there's so much I learned from being an actor that I brought to this. Like, the best things from working with directors that I loved and felt like I communicated well with, and like I took those things and I tried to incorporate them and do the best that I could. But I think working with like a lot of young actors too, it's like trying to figure out how to create a safe set and just like feeling like, okay, you can say something dumb and it's not a big deal. And yeah.
You did a really good job. You did a
But yeah, no, I don't know. I just want to, it's sometimes when you throw out a weird joke and it kind of bombs, it's tough. And so I was like, you know what? We're not going to acknowledge that.
We're just not going to talk about it.
That's what you want from me. Yeah.
Yeah.
I love that. Can I ask what was each of your favorite scene to film in the movies?
The whole mushroom sequence was incredibly special. Yeah.
It was like a beautiful night.
All night.
Stars in the sky, and the full moon.
Yeah. We were just.
And we had so much fun.
Yeah.
You got to dance.
I got to dance a bit. Maude was like, and now Andrew dance, and I danced a little bit. And she's like, no, Andrew really dance. There's a coffee grinder in the movie. I'm really proud of my coffee grinder. I learned that coffee grinder when I played Troy Bolton in High School Musical 2. I kept it obviously. And now it's on film forever. That's pretty amazing.
Captured. It's true. Okay, for you, Leslie, this was your first time being directed by one of your children. Did it bring up any change? Did it change the dynamic at all? Or make you feel something different from all your other experiences with directors?
Can you possibly repair your relationship with your daughter? Jesus Christ.
That's neat.
No.
We're already up.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, what do y'all hope that people are take away from this film? What do you want them to take home with them?
I think you said this a while ago, and I think it's true. I think the movie is kind of a warm bowl of pho. Yeah. It's nourishing. It's comforting. And you know what? It makes you think. What about that? Yeah, that's nothing.
That's one of the jokes.
No, that's so real though. That is that's so real. We just hope you guys had a nice time and laughed and like enjoyed, being in this theater a lot. Yeah, that's all.
Call your mom, call your bros. Call your mom and call your bros.
But also, it's St. Patrick's Day, and thank you guys for coming. It's great.
Yeah.
Hell yes! It's so amazing. Congratulations and thank you so much.